How to replace a Chase debit or credit card. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can replace a Chase credit or debit card. So to do that, first of all, open up the Chase mobile app on your mobile device and then simply log into your account. Now once you've logged in, your homepage will look somewhat like this, where if you want to replace a credit card, simply tap on the credit card which you want to replace, and if you want to replace a debit card, simply select the account to which your debit card is linked. For this example, I'll simply replace my debit cards. So I'll tap on the account on which my debit card is linked. Now once you've done that, simply scroll down and then you will see the option named replace a lost or damaged card. Simply tap on it. After that, you'll have to choose a card. It can be your credit card or your debit/ATM card. Now once you've done that, tap on the option next. And now you'll have to choose a reason as to why you need to replace the card. And once you've chosen the reason, simply tap on the option next. After that, it'll take you to this page where it'll provide you all of your details. And if everything looks good, simply tap on the option request card. And there you have it. That is basically how you replace a credit or debit card of your Chase. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.